This is gonna blow your mind. Want to make an extra $1,000 a month without quitting your job? Hey guys, welcome to our channel Finsmart USA. Here are 5 side hustles for 2025 that anyone can start, even with $0. Forget complicated business plans. These are real, actionable strategies you can start tonight. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 clear paths to boost your income. Ready to change your finances? Let's dive in. Number 1. Freelance AI gigs. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are exploding with demand for AI services. You don't need a tech degree. Simple gigs like AI prompt writing or setting up chatbots can earn you $20, $50, even $100 per project. Use drag and drop tools to help businesses with images or chatbots. Spend 30 minutes after work, complete a few gigs, and you're on track for $1,000 a month. The market is hot. Get in before it's crowded. Don't miss this easy money opportunity. Next, print on demand. Create designs for t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases on sites like Redbubble or Printify. No inventory, no shipping. Just upload your design and earn a cut every time it sells. Even simple text designs can make money. The more designs you upload, the more you can earn. Passive income at its best. Imagine waking up to sales you made while sleeping. It's a numbers game. Start uploading and watch your profits grow. Number 3. Faceless TikTok pages. Perfect if you don't want to be on camera. Pick a popular niche. Motivation, tech, history, and post viral clips with trending music and text. Use stock footage or product videos. No filming needed. Once you get views, brands pay for features or you earn affiliate commissions. Some pages make thousands a month just from short, simple videos. Start posting and tap into TikTok's massive reach. 4th, make your money work for you with high-yield savings accounts and CD ladders. Move your cash to a high safe for 4-5% interest. Free money for doing nothing. Use CD ladders to lock in even higher rates without losing access to your funds. It's not flashy, but it's guaranteed effortless income. Finally, sell digital products. Create templates, planners, or tools and sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. Make it once, sell it forever. No shipping, no inventory. Use free tools like Canva to design products people want. Popular items include budget planners, resume templates, and content calendars. Each product becomes a stream of passive income. Some sellers make full-time incomes from simple PDFs. It's one of the most scalable side hustles for 2025. For more tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. There you have it. 5 proven side hustles to add $1,000 or more to your monthly income. Every one of these can be started today with $0 and just a few hours a week. Pick one, commit for 30 days, and watch your finances change. Drop your choice in the comments and subscribe for more money tips. Let's get rich together. Thanks for watching.